Meaning of incumbency.
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 Incumbency. Incumbency refers to the state of holding a particular position or office. In political contexts, it typically refers to an individual who is currently holding an elected office. One key aspect of incumbency is that it often provides advantages to the person or party holding the office, such as name recognition, established networks, and access to resources. This can make it challenging for challengers to unseat incumbents in elections. Overall, incumbency is an important factor to consider when analyzing political dynamics and predicting election outcomes.